আসসালামু আলাইকুম। শুভ সন্ধ্যা সবাইকে। আজকে এই অনুষ্ঠানে আমার উপরে যে দায়িত্বটা বর্তেছে সেটা হচ্ছে এমনই একজন কর্মী যাকে পরিচয় করি, যার পরিচিতি আপনাদের সবার জানা আছে। নতুন করে আমার কোনো কিছু বেশি কিছু বলার নেই। সত্যিকার অর্থে আমি মনে করি যে এটা আমার জন্য অনেক সম্মানের। আমি কিছু দু একটা নোট লিখেছিলাম ইংরেজিতে, সে আমি ভাবলাম যে সেটা বাংলা ইংরেজিতে মিলিয়েই বলি। Today I'm honored and pleased to be here in this August gathering. As you know, Shapnik Khan, currently elected General Secretary who has served for the last 2 years, it's a pleasure that he has decided to run for the position of the chairperson of Bangladesh Association with his unity panel to bring some changes in our community. He is not making any big promises. That's what I like about him. He said the only promise he is doing or he is making to unite the entire community under a panel and just to work together in a harmonious way, at least stay united. When the issues for Bangladesh, being a Bangladeshi American, comes in front of us. That's what he believes in. I know Shapnik for over a decade. He was one-time sports secretary. I used to be a sports secretary too at the very beginning, back in 1984. I served Bangladesh Association as first time as its sports secretary. And he started right there. Then he gradually moved to work in a larger capacity. Today, Shapnik is ready to lead Houston for a better thing. Now, remember, we all know change does not come unless you be the change. We know that. Shapnik, when I first met, he was a young, energetic gentleman. Today, Shapnik is still very active and very energetic, but he is a changed individual for better, with more maturity and a commitment to our community. We all know, like I said, change happens when you be the change. And Shapnik is a changed individual who is committed to bring that change for the entire community. I said that again. Having that passion for change, Shapnik is, as I said earlier, running to become the chairperson of the Bangladesh Society and make that change a reality under his leadership with the Unity Panel and to work in Houston unitedly. Now, please allow me that I ask Shapnik, the next chairman or chairperson of Bangladesh Association, Shapnik Khan.